Are there alternatives to dental implants? If you are looking to replace missing teeth, dental implants are typically considered to be the gold norm. They offer a lasting solution that is aesthetically and physically similar to natural teeth. They can be expensive, and they may not be the right choice for every person. If you're searching alternative options to implants for your teeth, there are many possibilities to look at. Dental bridges. An alternative to dental implants is to use dental bridges. Dental bridges are the prosthetic tooth that can be designed to substitute one or more teeth that are missing. It is connected to adjacent teeth, serving as anchors to the dental implants. Dental bridges are a cost-effective option than dental implants and could be an excellent option for patients that are unable to undergo surgery to replace implants. Dentures. Dentures offer a different option for dental implants. Dental prosthetics are removable devices which substitute missing teeth. They are available in two forms. They are partial, which are used to replace the missing teeth of a couple or a few missing teeth, and full dentures, which substitute all teeth that are located in the lower or upper jaw. Dentures are a less expensive option than implants and could be an ideal alternative for patients who've suffered multiple tooth loss. Dental crowns. Dental crowns offer another option to dental implants that can replace the missing teeth of a single patient. Dental crowns are a cap that sits over an injured or decayed tooth to restore its form, dimensions, appearance, and functionality. In certain situations, the dental crown could be used to fill in missing teeth by connecting it to nearby teeth. Dental crowns can be a more cost-effective option than implants and could be an excellent option for patients that aren't candidates to receive implants. Implant-supported dentures. Implant-supported dental dentures are a hybrid option that offers the security of dental implants along with affordable dentures. It is based on placing dental implants inside the jawbone, which act as anchors for the removable denture. Implant-supported dental dentures are more stable and safety than conventional dentures. They're a great choice for patients looking to reap the advantages of dental implants, but not the cost. Mini implants. Mini implants offer a less invasive, more minimally invasive substitute for conventional dental implants. They can be used to strengthen dentures or to replace missing teeth where there is a shortage of spaces or bones with a low density. Mini implants are a cost-effective option than traditional implants and could be the best option for patients that aren't candidates for conventional implants. There are many options for dental implants that can replace missing teeth. Dentures, dental bridges, dental crowns, implant-supported dental dentures, or mini implants are feasible options to provide an alternative that is more cost-effective for those who aren't in a position to undergo surgical procedures for conventional implant surgery. You should consult with your dentist regarding which option is best for your needs as well as budget. Be aware that there are other alternative solutions to dental implants which could help you attain the perfect and beautiful smile.